If you're feeling too creative lately, like having too many ideas, too much imagination, and too much joy, well, that's a problem. Ideas are messy, inconvenient, and hard to manage. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you how to absolutely ruin your creativity in just 5 easy steps. No talent required, just consistency. Step 1. Turn creativity into content consumption. Creativity starts with ideas, but why make your own when the internet has infinite ones? Every time you feel an idea coming on, immediately open your phone. Watch how other people do it better. Tell yourself you're researching. This trains your brain to associate creativity with watching, not making. Step 2. Demand originality before you start. Tell yourself your idea has to be completely original, never done before, never seen anywhere, never slightly inspired by anything. If it reminds you of something that already exists, trash it. Congratulations, you've just eliminated 99% of creativity, because creativity isn't originality, it's combination. But let's pretend otherwise. Step 3. Judge ideas the moment they appear. Never let ideas exist freely. As soon as a thought pops up, interrogate it. Is this good enough? What will people think? Is this worth the effort? By attaching judgment at birth, you teach your brain one thing. Ideas are dangerous. Soon, it'll stop sending them. Step 4. Only create. When you have a big idea, small ideas are beneath you. Never sketch, never experiment, never play. Wait for the perfect concept. This ensures you create almost nothing and feel guilty about it constantly. Step 5. Make creativity outcome-driven. This step finishes the job. Every creative act must lead to something. Praise, money, validation, or views. If it doesn't, it's a waste of time. Your brain now associates creativity with pressure instead of curiosity. That's it. Repeat this 5-step process every time a new idea pops up in your head, and you'll successfully ruin your creative mind in no time. And if you want it back, all you have to do is reverse every step. Creativity isn't something you lose, it's something you slowly kill or slowly build. And that choice, it's yours.